Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then we have to scroll down to find sound and vibration. And as you can see here, we've got those options actually highlighted, so we can change the sound for the notifications, ringtone and the alarm. Let me pick the ringtone, as it is in the title of this video, and here we've been transferred to the to this section, which will show you that you've got a lot of different ringtones from which you can choose. They are not saved on your device. They are available only if you will have the internet connection, so be aware about that. If you want to enter the section if you want to enter the ringtones which are installed by a default, you have to take a look at those options. You've got the option choose local ringtone, and after tapping on it, you will be simply transferred to your own files. So, for example, the file manager or the recorder. And if you will have any files, for example, downloaded, and if they will be compatible, then you will be able to pick something from them and set them as a ringtone. So, for example, some kind of song and so. Or you've got the pre-installed ringtones, you can tap on them, again tap on the ringtone, and you will be able to pick something from the defaultly installed options. Of course, if you want to. At the very top, you've got the option don't set ringtone, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. Let me pick something maybe from those options. Maybe like, I don't know, happy ones. Let's tap on it, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. And it works the same in this section and also in the pre-installed ones. So let me tap, for example, on this one. Okay. I don't know why it is considered as happy song, but okay. For example, this one, whatever. The conclusion here is you have to tap on the particular ringtone to listen to it, and then be able to decide if you like it or not. So if you want to set a ringtone, all you have to do is to tap on this small, I would say, ring icon or notification icon, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to do it. So just confirm it. Your device will have to download this particular ringtone, so that's why it is also important to have the internet connection. Now we can go back, and as you can see in this section, in the kind of regular settings, we've got the winter sky, which is the name of the ringtone we just chosen and set, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.